We're doing tower November 213, Alpha November, ready for departure.
Cessna 213 Alpha November, read the towers right downwind, runway 31 right, clear for takeoff.
Right downwind, 31 right, clear for takeoff. 3 Alpha. Okay, here we go.
It's a loud night with a flying dog. A close look, far from luck, couldn't give it up. I think it's us at the wrong time. Could I say it's not too late? Won't believe it. It's a loud night with a flying dog. A close look, far from luck, couldn't give it up. I think it's us at the wrong time. Could I say it's not too late? Won't believe it.
November.
Thank you. South County Traffic, Skyhawk 213 Alpha November. Have a good day, everybody.